In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove due dates in Trello. If you've ever set a deadline on a card and later realized it's no longer relevant, or you want to keep the task open-ended without reminders, removing the due date is quick and clean. This won't delete your card, its checklists, or any comments. It simply takes the date off, stops due date reminders, and keeps your board tidy. First, open your Trello board and click on the card you want to edit. Make sure you're on the right board and the correct card, especially if you're working across multiple projects. The card back will open, showing details like the description, activity, and any attachments. You don't need to enter edit mode or change anything else. Just make sure you're on the card view. Next, look for the due date button. On most screens, you'll find it on the right-hand side in the card's sidebar. Depending on your screen size or Trello layout, it might also appear within the main card details, usually marked with a small calendar icon and the current date if one is set. If you have other add-ons or power-ups, the layout might shift a bit, but the due date control is always available on the card back. Click the Due Date button to open the date settings calendar. You'll see the current date and time, along with options Trello provides for scheduling and reminders. This view is just a control panel for the due date. You're not changing anything yet by opening it. If your card is overdue, you might notice a red highlight, and if it's upcoming, you may see a different color. That's normal and will go away once you remove the date. Now, click the Remove button in the lower right corner of the pop-up. The moment you do, the due date will disappear from the card. Any color-coded status related to that date will clear, and Trello will stop sending date-based notifications for that card. You'll still see a note in the card's activity log indicating that the due date was removed, so your team has context without clutter. If you change your mind later, you can add a due date back at any time by returning to the same due date button and selecting a new date and time. And if your goal is to reschedule rather than remove, simply pick a new date instead of hitting remove. For multiple cards, repeat the same process on each one to keep your board consistent. That's all there is to it. Open the card, find the due date, click it, and hit remove. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.